Hi guys, today we are in a new part of my home. It's my little bar area, and I got a brand new box. It's called ScrawlrBox, and it is actually a June box, but it's not from the United States, so it took longer to get here, and I have no idea what to expect, and I'm very excited. I've only seen it opened once, and it was a while ago. It looks like a print, yes, and there's information on the back, so that's cool. You get a print in this box, I'm assuming every box. This is the featured artist, Alice Coles. I'll just put it here. It has the description and her YouTube, social media stuff there if you want to pause it and read. Hopefully that's in focus enough for you. And then this little pamphlet, which looks like it has everything that's in it, and some stuff about the featured artist, which is that's really cool. I think that's awesome that they do that. And tips. This is really cool. And this is like stuff people have posted from their boxes, I guess. And yes, they're all April 2020 ScrawlrBox. That's so cool. They posted photos that people did and put them in their little pamphlet. And then there's like a little extra like reading thing. This is like really making me want to get this again, and I only planned on getting it once, so we'll see. Okay, so I'll keep that open in case I need to reference it. We have paper, and it is watercolor paper, so that's very exciting for me. I love doing watercolor, so I own mostly watercolor paper, and you can never have too much, right? And then special color selection, especially for ScrawlrBox. I don't know which one I want to open first. I guess I'll do this one. Hopefully I do have scissors. I was really lucky that there were scissors right there. And these look like pastels. And they are multi-use blocks. Draw, scrape, wet, dry, wash, paint. So many different effects from one little block. Use me like a pen. Well, that's cool. I'll have to play with those a little bit. It doesn't, I guess the brand is on here. Derwent Inktense from England. And then they have color numbers on them. Pretty cool. Then I guess everything else is in here. This is a cute little scribble sticker. And I think it comes with a bigger sticker too. But I like the cute little white one. I'm trying like not to look at this to see what's in here already. Yes, fun, colorful sticker. That's just scribbles. I love that. Then there's another little card. Okay, this gives you actually more information than this. So this is like a colorful, pretty little simplified thing. And this is more descriptive. That makes sense. Oh, this comes with candy too. A drumstick chews, like chews, but it's spelled differently, I guess. Looks kind of like a Now and Later or a Starburst. Never heard of them because maybe they're not from America. I don't know. Then we have 3 other things in here. If this is a watercolor brush, I'm gonna lose it because I need more. Let's see. I'll reference this because this doesn't say. Just says thick or thin with a lovely spring. So it is a sea white synthetic round brush. ideal for acrylics, watercolor, and ink. And then it says more stuff. So there's that. It's pretty nice looking. Like it. And then we have a jelly roll. Size says number 8. And a pencil. I can assume. Oh. Yes. Sorry. It's like, yeah, it's a pencil. It looks dark. I'm just gonna read this real quick. Staple for illustrators with their highly durable yet fine leads, delicate details can be achieved with precision and ease. Okay, well, I guess it's a, oh, okay, it's a watercolor pencil. So sorry. That was like way down here. This is outline with me, use me, dry for outlines or add water for dark washes. Okay, cool, watercolor pencil. Sorry, that was a really long intro, but I'm very excited and I will show you what I do with this stuff, I guess. I don't know if there's this challenge. Oh, Scrawler challenge, spirit animal. So I have to make my spirit animal with these colors and stuff. That's a pretty fun prompt. I like that. Oh my gosh, I like this box so much so far, and I might have to order another one. We'll see. I might do it right now. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm back real quick. This video is going to be a little longer than normal one. Sorry. I think this box is really cool, and I went back to the website, and it was only 1 day and some amount of hours to order it for July, so I did it. And the box is about what I spend on art snacks as well. It looks cheaper, but it's from a different country, so shipping, and it's also in euros, I believe, so the conversion is different. So it looks like $15 plus $5 for shipping, $20 flat. My card gets charged for like $25.75, but that's about what I spend on art snacks, and it comes with an art print, and I'm not saying one or the other is better, but I really like them both, so I might continue to get them both. I just wanted to kind of like share that little piece of it, and I ordered another one, so I'll see you again next month on ScrawlrBox. That's the art print and the extra fancy menu, and this is everything that came in the box. I already ate my candy and it was very weird, but it's from Europe, so I did not use the special paper in the test because I wanted to save it. This is the Carandiace Prismalo pencil, which is probably the incorrect pronunciation. Prismalo pencils have become a staple for illustrators and artists alike. With their highly durable yet fine leads, delicate details can be achieved with precise and ease. Adding water to the pigmented lead allows you to freely transform your work, using it like watercolor pigment to create washes and mix colors. The watercolor pencil is ideal for exact details as well as hatching and watercolor techniques. The lead is surrounded by quality cedar wood, and the barrel is designed with a hexagonal shape to prevent rolling or slipping in your hand. The retail price on this is €2.10. I don't know how that works. My bad. I'm going to talk about the brush next. This is a sea white synthetic round brush. This sleek-looking synthetic paint brush is the ideal instrument for acrylics, watercolor, and ink medium supplies. It has soft and flexible bristles that are densely packed, making it great for holding water and dispersing pigment. It is a very resilient and adaptable brush that makes for a perfect addition for any artist. And this is €1.50. 1.50 euro. And then these lovely colors that you see are Derwent Inktense blocks. Derwent Inktense blocks are highly versatile, water-soluble pigments which create a vivid ink-like medium when combined with a little water. Once dried after application, Inktense becomes permanent, which enables you to work over the dry areas without affecting the original layers of the color. These satisfyingly chunky blocks produce vibrant and saturated colors that are extremely adaptable and can be used for a wide range of creative effects. I used them all right here. You can use them like pans of paint with a wet brush to gather the pigment, or dip the blocks directly into water and apply a saturated color to a paper. They can also be used dry or applied to wet washed paper for instantly vibrant and intense color. This is a €13.5 retail price. And this is a Jelly Roll 08 White. The Sakura Jelly Roll pen is the world's best gel writer thanks to ink with water-based pigment. It ensures smooth results without the need to apply pressure, and it will leave even, defined lines whenever you draw. This pen is chemical resistant, waterproof, bleed free, and quick drying, so there'll be no smears, feathers, or bleed throughs on your. I'm going to talk about the paper real quick. It is Sea White 350 GSM CP watercolor paper. We have included 12 sheets of premium quality fine art paper this month, so lots to work with. Sea White paper is a superb acid-free paper that is suitable for watercolor, printing, and all wet media. It is a heavyweight and textured paper that gives fantastic results without stretching and does not buckle when water is added to the surface. And this is a $2.99 retail price. So get ready for some fun math, because this is my least part of this whole video. I paid €20 or $22.89 for this box, and their total retail value was €22.14 or $25.34. So I definitely got a better value than what I would have paid for retail, and it also came with all that cool art print and the little booklet thing. So I think this was very, very worth it. Sorry for all of my stumbling of words in the last part of that video. I'm so sorry. So let's talk about how I felt about some of these products. So my favorite product out of this whole box was 100% this paper. I'm really shocked at how cheap the retail value is, because 12 pieces is a lot for watercolor paper, and watercolor paper is very expensive, and this is some of the most durable. Like, it took so much water before it even curled up a little tiny bit. So I was really happy with this, and it makes me want to buy more. So for the Inktense blocks, if you couldn't tell, because it's the only way I use them, I really liked using them as if they were a palette of paint. I thought that was the best way to get good color that blended well and didn't, like, if you draw onto the paper, you can see some of the drawing marks, and I have that problem with a lot of things, but this was one of those things. So I really just preferred to use them that way, but I really liked them. And then I also liked the pencil. I thought that worked really well. You can see me putting dots on it and taking them off because I thought they turned out really ugly, but I did use it for the stick or branch or whatever, and I'm going to make that darker in a little bit with it again. And right now I'm like making the colors a little more intense because I just felt like they were kind of muddy, and after that second coat they looked a lot better. My least favorite was probably the gel pen, because it's the gel pen and I just thought everything else was really cool, but it was nice to have. Overall, highly recommend this box. I loved it.